Want to know how to add a delay animation to your output in Cursor AI? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your Cursor AI application. So we have also created similar videos regarding Cursor AI, which is available on our channel. So make sure to watch it. So now once everything is done, you should be under this interface right here. And now once you're under this interface, we have this C# code. Now just simply select the entire code, and now here you should be seeing two options: add to chart and quick edit. Just simply select quick edit right here. And now once you forget quick edit, since we are modifying the code, just simply type in this part. Now just simply select enter, and as you can see right here, it should update your code right here. Now just simply select keep in order to keep the code, and you should be good to go. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.